Hi, I'm going to show you how to use Destiny Discover to do some basic searching. From the Destiny Discover homepage, you will notice that popular titles and newly added books are at the top of the page. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you can also browse by topic. In order to do a keyword search, simply enter the word into the search box at the top of the homepage and click the magnifying glass or hit the enter key. I am going to search by the word lions. So I'll click on the word search, type in the word lions. I'm going to click on the magnifying glass. Now, there are some options given to me, but I'm just going to click on the magnifier and see what comes up. And here are some books about lions. You'll notice that some of the books have red triangles at the top that say out, and others have green triangles that say in. If it says out, that means it's checked out from the library right now. If it says in, that means you can check it out immediately. Perhaps you don't want to search by keyword. If you'd rather search by author, title, or subject, you can go up to the search window, and next to that box is a plus sign. Click on the plus sign, and you can change the search options. A pop-up comes up. I'm going to click on this arrow by keyword to change my search option type, and I'm going to do a search by author. I'm going to click on author. I need to set that option. And now I'm going to search for books by Dave Pilkey. He's a popular author at our school. I'm going to type his name, click on the magnifier. Again, there's more options given to me, but I'm just going to click on the magnifier. And here are books by Dave Pilkey. And you'll see some of them are checked out, but some of them are in. If they're in, you can check them out from the library immediately. I hope this helps you the next time you're searching for books in our school library. Thank you. Bye-bye.